Hi everyone, I just recently purchased a timer to use in our sprinkler system or a drip line system. This is a programmable timer, and it's pretty easy to use, as you can see. So basically it has 3 modes. It's an auto mode, a manual mode, and rain delay. So the auto mode is when you put in you know how often you want to do it, how long the water will be on, and etc. The manual mode is basically just push a button, and then anytime you want to use it, you can push it and then it'll turn on automatically. And the rain delay, again, it's just delaying your rain. You basically just push a stop and it stops the watering. So here's an example with regular watering. How long, how often, or no timer at all. Manual mode, rain delay function, it does use 2 AA battery. Not sure how long those last. It doesn't really say, but I imagine it'll it'll show up if the battery's low on the screen. Some of the feature has and a good thing about this is you can actually use it more than just in a garden. You can use it you have a pond or a pool. You can set the timer for those as well. So hose in from your faucet and out to wherever you can hook it to. So this is where I set it up. As you can see, the function, it's on right now, but you can turn it off. So first you want to do, you just want to set the clock, 12-hour clock. And then you push OK and it goes to the time. You can set the time. And then you want to put start time, what time you want to start. For how long. This is for 10 minutes. So you can hit the OK, and then you can scroll through how many minutes you want, and then how often. So this one I put every 2 days. You can do it every day if you wanted to. So basically, again, hit OK and just go through the plus and minus, and then turn it back on. And then if you wanted to have it manually, just hold this down, and that comes up and it shows 10 minutes from base what I've set it at, and you hit OK and it'll start working. So here you go, do it again, 10 minutes, OK. So start counting. You can see it start, you can hear the click and starting. There you go, our sprinkler's on. Once that's done, it's gonna automatically turn off. Alright, thanks for watching.